what's up, our guys? It's your favorite Marvel trio here, YKST Gobloques,
Granny,
Chiwi!
and we are the Marvel Squad. In today's video, guys, Marvel Entertainment or Disney just released their latest series. Yes, very exciting. Any of you guys know what is new?
alam ko. Si Chiwi, di niya alam.
Chiwi doesn't know anything. Ako, nabanggit ni Granny this morning na may paparating na trailer. May somewhat spoilers siyang nakita sa Facebook. So, honestly, ako in my case, no, excited ako for this one. I'm not expecting much kasi nung last time na nag-appear siya, medyo meh siya for me, the character. No expectations, pero I hope na may maganda silang magawa dito sa trailer na may maaambag sa future ng MCU. I don't know kung ano yung pinakamagiging ambag. I don't even know kung important tong character na to sa comics itself. I still feel like na she's a great addition to the plot of MCU, yung story niya. I feel like marami siyang mabibigay sa MCU universe. Granny?
As usual, I'm always excited for an MCU project. Pero yun, for this one, honestly, hindi rin ako super fan of this character. Yung first impression ko of her is, ayun, same lang din sa'yo, parang meh lang. Hindi naman ako super excited for this. If ano nga, parang feel ko it's gonna be like an Echo level series. Honestly, yun lang yung level of expectation na meron ako going in this series. Wala akong masyadong narinig pa other than the character. I don't know anything about the plot. I don't know how big this production is. I just know na I think wala masyadong humingi ng series na to. Or wala masyadong nag-ask for this character. Out of nowhere kasi talaga lumabas to si tong character na to. And for me, yung first impression ko of her is hindi talaga... Ayun, parang mas gugustuhin ko si Iron Lad na lang yun. Chiwi?
Ako wala talaga akong idea nung una. But hearing you guys speak, parang may idea na ako kung sino. Pero di ko muna sasabihin. And same din, wala din ako masyadong expectations. As usual. Ayun.
Same. Ang ganda nung sentiment sa binanggit ni Granny here. I agree with you. Alam mo, nakakatawa kasi may nakita ko recent post na, yun nga, again, yung bipolar fans ng MCU na MCU is alive, is dead, is alive, is back, is dead, is back, dead. And currently, it's in the MCU is back. Although that post excluded yung series, pero in this case, I feel like it's gonna be an MCU is dead again. Not unless mangyari yung nangyari ng Thunderbolts, ay di ko in-expect na MCU is back that time. Since we had so much expectations in terms of action na biglang naging drama. Pero overall, syempre, that movie is still a great movie. In this case, Ironheart, as you mentioned, no, Granny, nobody asked for it. If anything, maybe Iron Lad, same. Na I think mas interested ako sa Iron Lad character. Let's see, paano nila i-cook tong series na to. I'm somewhat excited pa rin. Again, no, whether or not the MCU project is bad or good, it's still MCU and I love MCU. It will always be great para sa akin. No? So, are we guys ready?
G? Let's do this!
Alright, without further ado, guys, let's go check out Marvel Entertainment's latest project. Let's dive in 3, 2, 1, let's dive in!
Ryan Coogler. Okay.
Hello?
Okay.
Ryan Coogler.
I didn't know this was Ryan Coogler.
Wakanda Forever. Ng Black Panther. So,
Pati ng Sinners.
oh, siya ba? Sabi?
Ang alam.
Oh, time-bound.
In less than 3 minutes, the air in this elevator will no longer be breathable.
Oh, what is this?
Your interview. You'll suffocate and die unless you break into the device on the floor. When you find a gas mask. Good luck.
It's a training.
Yeah.
Focus.
Okay. Showing some technician skills. Okay.
Wow, it's a one whole scene.
Riri Williams was a genius.
Okay.
So,
Just
Oh
Transformers
my
gloves.
I know
God!
him. I don't know him.
Oh my
Yeah,
God!
Steve set up waiting to be acknowledged for your
Sino
greatness.
siya?
Fill up.
You are not the first genius at MIT.
Okay.
How come you're not working at one of those fancy tech firms?
After my internship abroad, I want to build something undeniable, something
Important.
Alright.
iconic.
You
Okay.
need the tools to help you carry out your vision. But anyone who's ever accomplished anything iconic in life has had to do some questionable things to get it done.
Who the hell?
What would you do, Riri?
You've bitten off a hell of a lot more than you can chew.
Sobrang
Chew a lot.
speechless na. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Alright. You've seen this? That's
Okay.
nice.
This thing.
Wait, is that the hood?
You're gonna end up dead or in jail. This is so much bigger than that.
Is that the freaking hood? Oh
Okay.
shit!
Alright.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
This is wild. A shady bunker.
My bunker's not shady. Would a shady bunker have that on the wall?
Not at all.
It's literally above a crate of self-guided missiles.
I'm returning those.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
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 Okay. Interesting.
Interesting.
All right. Interesting characters. Okay, so may nagulat akong character na I'm gonna assume siya yon. Si Chiwi muna. Sinong character ang pinakatumatak sa'yo?
Kilala ko kasi yung actor, si Anthony Ramos. So, parang sa musicals ko siya kilala. So, nagulat ako na andito siya bigla. Parang mayroon na akong hula kung sino siya. Feeling ko lang, si The Hood.
The Hood daw.
Kasi may hood siya.
Exactly. Well, ako rin. I'm gonna assume that character is the Hood. Kilala ko yung actor dahil sa Transformers. Rise of the Beast.
That's him! Yeah, oo nga.
May mga iba pa siyang movie na sikat. I think In the Heights, tapos nasa Hamilton. Hamilton! OG cast siya sa Hamilton, kuya.
Really? Okay.
Okay. Yeah, interesting, no? So, alam ko na pupunta siya ng MCU, specifically here sa Ironheart series. Although, I was surprised na big role pala talaga siya. I do feel like, tama si Chiwi, feel ko siya si The Hood. And, sakto, kasi nagpakita si The Hood sa What If series. So, most likely, they were really cooking The Hood character arc already since then. So, ikaw, Granny, any thoughts?
One thing na I took note of is, tsaka yung parang happy ako, is si Ryan Coogler yung
Yes.
Ay, nag-direct ba siya? Basta, I think na, most likely nag-direct siya. So, for me, that's a good thing. It's a good sign. Kasi, kilala niya na si Riri Williams eh. So, parang kung anong ginawa nila Russo Brothers sa Captain America franchise, feel ko may ganun ng vision si Ryan Coogler for this character. I think yung tone nito, it's not what I expected. Kasi parang, as we know, she's probably gonna be part of the Young Avengers. And so far, all the Young Avengers series, or yung times na lumabas sila, talagang for the young, para sa bata talaga siya eh, yung tone nila eh. Medyo makulit, friendly, ganyan. Ito kasi may na-feel ako na matured siya. Okay naman siya for me.
Malaki yung trust ko kay Ryan Coogler sa mga projects na ginawa niya sa MCU. So, tumaas naman yung hopes ko dito kay Ironheart series. Ironheart suits, honestly, I like it. I like how it looks. Very bulky. Medyo War Machine, mix of Iron Man. I don't know. It has a different take. Yun na lang masasabi ko. It's unique. Although nakikita ko sa comics, medyo mas slim yung niya dun eh. Mga suits niya dun. Dito, ginagawa nilang bulky eh, for some reason. Pero, I feel like nabubuhat naman ni Riri Williams. I feel like bagay naman sa kanya. So, very excited ako sa magiging mga suit-ups ng suits niya.
Just wanted to add to that. Parang feel ko, she's living up to what she wants. Sabi nga niya, gusto niya maging iconic. And feel ko, yun nga. Meron siyang, may separation yung identity niya kay nila Iron Man. Na-feel ko din yun. Actually, maganda nga.
Yes,
Parang
yes,
so
yes.
far, 3 suits ata yung nakita. And ang ganda.
It's like Sam Wilson, Captain America all over again. In this case, Tony Stark, pero this is a different version of an... You can't compare Riri Williams kay Iron Man. No? So, ganun yung ginagawa nila again here.
I think one of the negative sides, yung isa sa napansin ko is, meron na naman formula silang ginamit, yung MCU, na
Time jumping.
hindi nila tinuloy yung last
Exactly.
Last journey niya. Kasi ang last journey niya was nasa Wakanda na siya.
Wakanda.
Parang intern ba siya? Tapos
Tama.
na naman, nagpapalusot na naman sila na scrap na natin yun, whatever ano nangyari sa kanya doon.
Tama.
Sabihin na natin, nagka-change of heart na naman siya. Change of heart tong character na to. Yun lang, yung mga ganung ng MCU, sobrang na yun for me. Nakakaumay na kasi bakit pa kayo nagano ng ganung plot sa kanya before tapos di nyo rin itutuloy? I guess nasanay na lang din ako na ganun yung formula nila. Hindi na ako magsasayang ng oras para mag-bad trip. Parang ganun.
I also felt that na nag-off-screen plot na sila. As much as I want to see ano nangyari talaga bago siya mapunta to wherever she is now, I'm gonna settle with the fact na ganun yung mangyayari sa future ng MCU. Again, Doomsday is not far ahead. It's May 2026. May nakita akong post, Avengers na binubuo ni Sam Wilson will be made off-screen. Right? So magugulat na lang tayo na may nabuo na siya. Hindi pinakita kung paano nabuo. That would really suck, pero with the time frame they have now, I guess we just really have to settle with that. I'm just hoping na ma-pull off nila ng maganda, ng maayos. Kung paano sila magdidikit-dikit. Pero if we are going to time jump back then, I feel like they already did this a million times. Consciously, pinaka-na-experience ko to was nung si Thor pati Guardians of the Galaxy went out together. Tapos pagdating ng Thor Love and Thunder, biglang, wala naman nangyari. Doon ko siya first time na feel na parang binasta-basta na lang nila yung plot. Actually, may pinakita pa nga sila doon May bonding naman sila initially sa start ng movie Pero I do believe na before that, marami na nangyari ganun na off-screen. Ginawa nila, bahala na kayo. Eto, babanggitin na lang namin sa'yo ano nangyari during the off-screen ganaps or events that happened to this character. Another, I can't really say negative. Medyo meh. I really felt the vibes na medyo echo levels lang tong series na to. Medyo na vibes ko siya. Especially na recently we've got Thunderbolts, Daredevil Born Again. So, nandun, pataas yung level of excitement ko. But upon watching this series, medyo naging bumaba siya. I can say bumaba siya.
Isa sa biggest factor is, never naman talaga natin hiningi to si Ironheart. The MCU is trying so hard para maging significant tong character na to. And mawi-feel mo siya sa Wakanda Forever. I guess sa comics, sobrang smart naman talaga siya. Pero parang tinid talaga sa atin yun sa Wakanda Forever na isa to sa matalinong bata. Ang dami na kasing characters around the MCU na they could have just used si Iron Lad na naiwan sa barn, bumisita pa kay Tony Stark. 'Di ba? Parang active pa naman si Kuya, si artista. Parang feel ko mas opportunity 'yon. Kinomplicate nila masyado by adding this character no one asked for.
Maybe Chewie asked for it.
No. Interesting siya for me kasi new character, new everything. Pero, parang kapag naaano ko kayo, parang,
Naalala mo siya sa Wakanda Forever?
Oo, naalala ko siya, pero hindi ko din siya nagustuhan.
For me, hindi talaga siya likable. Yung first impression niya, may ganun Hindi na nga siya hiningi. Tapos ganun pa yung first impression niya. So parang, who would want this, character? Maybe we'll see it, we will see it here in this series. Though, gotta say, nung What If, honestly, nagustuhan ko yung episode niya sa What If.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Nagustuhan ko yung episode niya. Isa yun sa memorable episodes for me.
True.
Nung season na yun. Nagustuhan ko kay Riri doon is yung maturity niya doon.
Alright, guys, I think that's about it. Ironheart by Disney and Marvel Entertainment coming out June 24 with 3 episodes premiere. Very exciting naman. Nagka-high hopes ako, especially Ryan Coogler is there. And we've got great-looking suits of Riri Williams.
Si Anthony Ramos, and I'm looking forward, new character na naman, new actor sa MCU. Tsaka nag-look forward naman ako, mukhang interesting naman yung journey niya.
I actually liked his acting in Transformers. So, mukhang mabubuhat din naman niya to. Sana, hopefully. But yeah, same thoughts, Ryan Coogler, feel ko, tumaas din yung hopes ko for this series. And yeah, yun lang naman.
We hope you guys enjoyed our reaction. If you did, please do show us some love by leaving a like, subscribe, comment down below. Will this series be an iron heart or a broken heart? Don't forget to hit the notification bell to not miss any future contents from yours truly. It's your favorite Marvel trio here, YKST Goblokes.
Grand.
Kiwi!
And we are the Marvel Love. Stay epic, stay legendary, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out!